Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Monday to each and every one of you. Today is the 13th of April. Welcome to it. My good things for today are another week of distance learning, staying at home with my wife and kids. Mrs. Bruner's birthday. She turned 4 yesterday, and we had a great time celebrating her birthday. We had kind of a parade past the house with people bringing presents and singing happy birthday and honking and making a general ruckus, and it was very sweet. Made her cry, so mission accomplished. Your good things from last Friday, I believe. Sleeping in until 2 o'clock, not a good thing. You're going to do a lot better with distance learning and with this time in quarantine in general if you try to follow more of a normal routine. My alarm is going off at 6 o'clock every morning. It's good to get up and start your day. So don't sleep until 2 o'clock. Lucky Charms, avocado toast, chocolate, cupcakes, all delicious things, right? Cheon Kim, happy birthday. I believe it was yesterday also. Drawing. I believe somebody said that they're drawing with their sister. That sounded very sweet to me. Learning how to box. I don't remember who that was, but good for you. Might have been Haven Rendon. Anyway, dogs and coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker myself, but I understand why people like the coffee. All right, so today, as I said, is Monday. It's the 13th of April. Today is a social studies day. So looking here at our assignment guide, I would like you to finish your Chapter 11, Section 2 notes. And I will be, well, here's a link right here to a Brain Pop video. I would like you to watch that video and watch that quiz. It's about Galileo, who is a really kind of interesting and sort of heroic person from the Renaissance. I'll put this link into the Google Classroom assignment I'm going to send you out as well. You'll get that right at 8 o'clock or close to 8 o'clock. If the link doesn't work, or if it brings you to BrainPop and asks for a password, I believe the OH username and password is Orchard Pop and Hawks. So try that. I'll investigate that. It worked when I went in, but then I realized that I had my own password that I had put in there. So anyway, Orchard Pop and Hawks. So try that. Other than that, easy work day today. Maybe math or your other classes will be giving you more work, but just finish your 11-2 notes, do the Brain Pop, or watch the Brain Pop video and do the quiz. Stay healthy, stay safe. Don't sleep until 2 o'clock. Bye-bye.